Officer, point of order lamang muna.
Yes, what is your point of order, Honorable Rito?
Kasi kahapon, nabanggit na si Attorney Hua, magaling na abogado siya, ay pumunta sa COA, tama, para makipag-usap tungkol doon sa sinasabing audit query. Now, hindi po ba conflict of interest yun para siya ay mag-represent dito ngayon sa ano natin, pinag-uusapang confidential funds when in fact, siya mismo pumunta doon sa COA office para makipag-usap sa kanila. What do you think, Mr. Presiding Officer?
The respondent in this case, Senator Judge Tulfo, is the Honorable Vice President, Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Attorney Poa, although he served under the office of the Vice President, I believe, and even under DepEd, is not a named respondent to this case. And in fact, is one of the lawyers, as you can see, of the respondent. There is no, I believe there is no conflict with respect to that, given that he is not the one in trial in this case.
Okay, I rest my case.